Ah, way they go. Forest all from the outside. Mr. Environment Security check. Rushing up in between runners. Moving up by the rail cheerleader. Sailing away alongside Kai Maki. Silver Ridge. Lucky Lorky. Security check by about 2 lengths. Followed by Forest all in second. Cheerleader running by the rail alongside. Sailing away in between runners. Mr. Environment. Passing the last 700, security check. Forest all is getting closer in second. Sailing away, racing third by about 2 lengths, Mr. Environment. Rounding the far turn, Forest all is now the leader. Security check, sailing away, racing on the outside as they race the final corner. Forest all by a length and a half, followed by sailing away in second. Security check by Dural Silver Ridge on the outside. Forest all sailing away on the outside, fighting around for the lead. Forest all sailing away, Forest all by Dural. But sailing away, Forest all coming back by Dural, but sailing away, winning this race over Forest all. Silver Ridge, Mr. Environment, Lucky Lorky, and Kai Maki.
Okay, 5-7-2-3 ang